Hello all, welcome to the Kiran Academy. This is Atul. In today's session, we'll be talking about the most important function in Python, that is input function. So let's see what is input function. So in today's session, we'll be talking about input function, with that eval function, and there is one output function, that is print function. So let's see what is the use of input function. So let's switch to the whiteboard. So today's function is input function. So many of the time what we need data from user. So input function is basically used to accept data from user. So on console we'll accept the data from the user. For example, let's say we'll write input function. Let's see the syntax: input, and then the message to end user, message to user. So this message is displayed on the console, then user will write some data. So that data will accept in one variable, like variable name is data. So whatever data is entered by user, that data is stored in the data variable. Let's see this practically. So let's switch to the VS Code. So we have already created workspace. Let's open that workspace with code. And let's say I want to accept two numbers from user. So num1 is equal to, we'll write input function and we'll print message to end user like enter first number. Then we'll copy paste this line again. I want one more data from user. So let's say number 2. So we'll ask user to enter second number. And let's say print both the numbers. Print num1 comma num2. Let's run this code. Run Python file. So see guys, as we return input function, so Python is waiting for the input from the user. So let's say the number I'm entering 10 and the second number is 20, and see we'll have the two numbers from the user. So basically input function is used to accept the data from the user. In next session we'll be talking about the next important function, that is eval function. Thank you.